How do you remove the ABC mark when publishing in Tableau? In this example, I have region, category, and subcategory showing as a table. I have these ABCs because there is nothing on text. The first way to remove the ABCs is to use something on text. So maybe I want sum of quantity on text, and I would have the quantity there instead of the ABCs. If I don't want any more fields, I can do a couple things. I can click on the marks card and change it from automatic to a polygon. That completely removes the ABCs and just has an empty box. You can make the box as small as you want and remove lines if you'd like to. Let's change it back to text. Make my box bigger. Another way you can get rid of the ABCs is by making them white and really small. So let's change the color to white and size to as small as it gets. The ABCs are still there, you just can't see them very well. Let's actually go into text as well, put a blank on text, and change the formatting to be as small as we can. I think you can go to 6. Another reason you might be trying to get rid of ABCs is because you've used a measure onto rows. I see this sometimes where a measure is put on rows and changed to discrete. So I have a header, but the ABCs are still there. If you've done this, this is not the best way to put measures on a table. I'm going to add quantity in a different place. I'm going to add measure names and measure values. Put measure names on columns and measure values onto text. Put measure names onto filters while holding Control to copy it. Edit the filter and keep only quantity. Now I don't need the quantity on rows. I have a quantity header because of measure names and measure values. Hope this helps.